Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a quick review video for you on some KB Shimmer essentials. Couple weeks back, KB Shimmer reached back out to me and advised they would like me to start swatching for them, so I was very excited, and they sent me the Endless Summer collection, which I already have swatches up for you. And with that collection they were also really nice, and they sent me some of their essentials. So thank you so much, Christy and the KB Shimmer team, for sending me everything. As you can see, I'm stock up, so I received a base coat, top coat, a matte top coat, a rich filler, and just a basic kind of like no nail polish days, or for those of you who don't like to wear nail polish, just a clear kind of coat that you can put on your nails. So thank you so much for sending me all of these, and of course I decided to show you how these work. And before I forget, they also sent me the Cuticle oil, which you guys know that I have been loving for years and years. I tried every single scent from them, and my two favorites are the peppermint and the raspberry vanilla. If you do have any questions on any of these, please let me know in the comment section, but I will link for you everything in the description box. But you will see swatches, so definitely stay tuned. If you do enjoy this video, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, now let's see how these apply. Thank you so much again for sending me everything, and yeah, that's it. So stay tuned for the swatch portion. My favorites are definitely the top coat, base coat and the matte top coat. The Cuticle oil, you know guys that I love it. I have been recommending it to you for years, and even though I do use other Cuticle oils, I love to always come back to KB Shimmer's one. And then the ridge filler. As you know, I am a nail biter. I did some really bad damage to my nails and there are really visible ridges on my nails. Unfortunately, this one is not working for me great. If you have deep ridges like I do, it might be a hit or miss. To me, I did one coat on the video, then I decided to add another one later just to see if it changes anything, but it did not. That one, I will keep it in my collection for now, but it's not something I would be necessarily recommending. And also the Free and Clear, I don't know, it just doesn't dry quick enough, and with their, knowing that their top coat is literally dry within 2-3 minutes, I would rather prefer just to use a regular top coat rather than the Free and Clear top coat. I don't know, it's not something that I would be reaching for very often. And let me know if you tried anything from KB Shimmer from their essentials, or if you are maybe thinking about picking up something based on what I recommended to you today. And I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.